Aloha everyone, we are here at the Byodo-In Temple on the northeast side of Oahu. This is something I've always wanted to do, haven't done it yet. There's Wifey, Larry, Lily, there's Lily, hey Lily. We're gonna go check out this spectacular temple. Come along with us, I hope you're ready. Larry, you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do this. So that was Byodo-In Temple here on Oahu, and I have to say, for my first time here, this is probably one of my favorite places, just because, I mean, wow, it's so beautiful. It is so tranquil. It just kind of leaves me breathless. We've had rain, we've had sunshine, we've had clouds, and it just all comes here. And it just, the clouds that come over the mountains, it takes my breath away. Larry, your thoughts?
I thought it was a very beautiful place, very tranquil and peaceful. Definitely a must visit.
Absolutely. And it's all the way at the end of the cemetery, which I think is fitting because a lot of people, a lot of Buddhists do come here for their as their final resting place. It's only $5 to get in here, and as you see, you have the temple behind you. You take off your shoes, you can give offerings, and then everywhere else, you know, you just put your shoes back on and just go around some of the gardens, some of the waterfalls. And I gotta say, 10 out of 10, highly recommend coming here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed it. If so, please do us a huge favor and subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, click the bell notification icon and give it a big thumbs up. And of course, share this video. It really does help out the channel. Thank you so much. I will see you on the next video. Hey, we're gonna see them on the next video, right? What do you want them to do?
Aloha.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
All right, friends, until the next video, mahalo and aloha.